guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to a new scrapbook homemade kit share. Is that what I'm calling it? I don't even remember. Anyway, so if you watched my previous kit share, I really had a great time with it, and it was a good exercise of using just specific items that I have, kind of trying to stretch them or think outside the box on how to use them, and it limits my time of kind of dilly-dallying because I only have a certain amount of stuff to work with. And then it's also helped me to kind of find new ways or rekindle my love for the supplies that I have. So I don't know if you feel that way for some of your supplies, that some of them have been neglected, but I know I feel that once in a while. So I'm gonna share with you this this homemade kit that I put together, and then hopefully I will do another layout share using or showing you the layouts that I had made for this particular kit. Now the last one I did this summer, and I'm kind of veering away from that, not because I don't have any more summer layouts, but because I have this particular paper that just kind of really stood out to me that I wanted to use. And let me see if I can find it. It's this one right here, and this one is from Pink Paisley, and it is called Auburn Lane, and I just love the colors on this. It's very fall, I know it, but it's just very vintage, very like farmhouse chic. So I'm pulling this out, and this is going to be my inspiration for this particular kit. So let's dive into what I did pull in my kit. I really went through all of my stuff here. So I have tags, and I have Polaroid, I don't know, die cuts, and then I have tags, and I'm pulling mostly, the focus that I have is mostly color. Whatever color that I feel like would work here, that's what I'm pulling, and also kind of the feel of the products as well. So I have that. I have some more tags over here. I have some 3x4s, so just a few, but it matched some of the colors from here. Okay, and then I have a few bits and bobs. I have some badges, some little sequins here. I have some, I don't know if you can see it, but some white butterflies that this is leftover from the punch butterflies that I used for when I was doing a try it out, I think in the month of February, I want to say. I'll make sure to link that in the description box below if I remember. But anyways, these are the leftover butterflies from that punching kind of not activity, but the punching session that I did, and so I wanted to use that here. And then I have these word phrase stickers from Heidi Swapp. They're clear. I have clear ones, and then I have black that have gold kind of foiling on them. So I'm going to see if I can use that, because you know me right now, I love putting phrases on my photos. I don't know why, but I'm doing that lately. And I just have these like little chipboards. I don't know if I'm going to use these. Are very old. They're from my mind's eye. So I'm thinking I might not even use this inside. I might just use the frame, but we'll see. And then I have this from a previous kit, and then a few more things. And then I have this heart enamel hearts from Illustrated Faith, Bella Boulevard, and it has a lot of different sizes of hearts, and plus it has the black. And as you can remember, my inspiration has black in there right here. So I'm hoping to use that. This one's a very old sticker as well. And as you can see, it's never been used. So I'm going to see if I can use that. I like that there's yellows and blues there. So I'm going to see if I can pull that out. Now this one is one that just has a little bit of items that were taken out of it, and has a black and a gold, so I figured that I can use that for titles. And then I have this chipboard that has just a home feel. Now this one I picked for the home feel because this one has kind of a home feel as well. There's a home, there's a warm and cozy, so that's why I pulled that one out. And then a few more stickers here. This one has a label. Thinking that I can use that one. Just a bunch of stickers that I thought that would work well with a color scheme. I really like this one too. Hoping I can use that one. And this just has 3 more stickers. So let's see if I can use this up. Again, a few more stickers that I'm hoping to just finish off. This one is a sticker sheet from Simple Stores. As you can see, there's just a little bit left in there. So I'm hoping that I can just bash this stash. And then here's another one. The reason why I picked this was because of the black letters here. I'm hoping I can use it. It's what I only have like lowercase left here, just a little bit of uppercase, so we'll see if I can use that. And then I have this white, it's alphabet stickers. I did use this one on, I think, process video number 223 and 224, and it's just white stickers, different sizes and fonts, and so I'm hoping to use this one. This one's from Bella Boulevard. And then I have my cardstock. So one thing that I learned from the previous kit, and this might be something that you can try to when you are making these homemade kits, is just kind of jot down what you're learning from when you're putting together a kit. And I learned from this, from working with a past kit, was that I needed more cardstock. I needed more paper, because I think like halfway through creating with them, I felt like I did not have enough papers to work with, and that's why I was pulling from my scraps or stash. Okay, so these are the cardstocks I pulled out. I have the orange, the brown, this kind of green, muted green. I do have some kind of beige, and I do have 2 of those in case I wanted to use this for double page layouts, and pink, 2 of those for double page, and then 1 single black. As you can see, I again used my inspiration paper to pull out colors. There's pink, there's browns, there's that kind of muted, this one's a darker green, but I think I can work with this one over here, so I'm pretty excited. Okay, now we go on to the pattern paper, and this is where the fun part was trying to pick some papers. And let me tell you, I actually started with 15, and I had to narrow it down to 12 just because I felt like 15 was too much, but we will see. I mean, I am planning on making a lot of layouts with this, so we'll see. This paper I like because it has the words on it, so I can cut the script font here and pair it with a letter sticker that is more block style letters. And so as you know me, I like to marry 2 different fonts for my layout, so I'm going to see if I can use that. The other side is pretty cool too, and I have a black one. This is dots on the other side and kind of grids on the other. And then this one is the buffalo check, kind of diagonal, and I really like that. It's very farm fresh. And then the other side, and then this one is from Close to My Heart. It's green, and then it has the wood grain wood script on the other side. This is actually a Christmas one, but as you can see, it matches that green on this block right here, so I'm okay with that. I have this pink dot, and then the B side are birds. And then this one has some subtle colors. The way I was looking into this is I want some with subtle colors, but I also want some with a pop of design. And so I tried to kind of balance that out. So this one is really good for the wood green, but I also really like the house. So we'll see which one I go with. And then this one's a blue with the green on the other side. Now this green doesn't really match with this green right here, but maybe with this lighter green, I don't know. So we'll see if I can use, but I know I can use this side. And then this other green, this one's from Echo Park. It has just the kind of the Target. And then the backpacks on the side. And this one is pink. And then this one is actually from Auburn Lane as well. So I know that this matches well with that, my pattern paper, and it has a black. And then finally, or no, one more, sorry. And then this paper matched kind of the mustard yellow for here. And then on the other side are alphas. Of course, I'm not going to use this side, but maybe I can use this side for like a school themed layout. I don't know. Who knows? So anyways, that is the kit content for my latest homemade kit. If you like these videos, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave that in the comment section below, and I will try to answer it as fast as I can. And I will catch you guys in another video. Bye!